Hey Martin, I'll just show you something to think about when you're designing. Another thing to think about what you need, right? How these bits and the angles affect the outcome of your cuts. Now, just for an example, let's say we had a 4 millimeter piece, prong, whatever. This is your 10 degree 005 bit. Now, when you're milling this down, here's what's happening. Okay, as this bit drives down, as it's cutting, this is a 5 millimeter deep cut. Here's what's happening. So on a 5 millimeter deep cut, this is what you're actually getting. And it's going to do it on the other side. So you're actually losing this amount on each side. Now let's say you had a 2 millimeter prong. Okay, by the time you get done, and you're going 5 millimeter deep, by the time you get done cutting it, you're going to be about 1 millimeter at the top. And if you started out with a 1 millimeter wall and you went 5 millimeters deep, this is probably what you'd get. Actually cut off a section of that. Okay, so the way it is, for every 1 millimeter you go down, kind of figure this if you want to, you're going to go over about 1/10 of a millimeter. So for every 1 millimeter you go down, do it over here. Alright, I'll do it right there. You're going to lose about 1/10 of a millimeter per side. Alright, you're going to lose this much on each side. So for every, remember that, you're going down, you're losing about 1/10 of a millimeter on each side. Double it up, so you're losing a 20, a 10, and a 10 on each side there. The deeper you go, the more the angle. Okay, something you might like to know.